How to cook chicken curry with Abuisa and Umisa. Let's get it, y'all. Alright, so the first step, what we're going to do is we're going to blend the ginger and garlic. Then next, what we're going to do, we're going to blend the tomatoes and the chili. Alright, so for ingredients, what we got? We got 2 medium onions. We got ginger and garlic, 4 cloves of garlic, and 1 inch of ginger. We got some cilantro, as we call it, but here in the UK they tend to call it coriander. We got tomatoes and chili, about 4 small tomatoes and 3 chilies if you like spicy. We got 3 small pieces of chicken, which equal out to about 1 pound of chicken. We got half a teaspoon of turmeric, curry powder, and cumin. We got about 5 cardamom and 1 cumin seed, or 1 tablespoon of cumin seed. We got a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of chili. Go ahead and throw in 2 tablespoons of oil. Toss in your cumin and cardamom seeds. Give that a spin. Then you go ahead and you throw in your onions. Let those onions cook for about 10 minutes, alright? Then throw in your ginger garlic paste. Give that a spin, let that cook for about 5 minutes, alright? Next, what we're going to do, we're going to throw in the salt and chili powder. Then we're going to throw in the cumin, turmeric, and curry powder. Now you let this, marinate and cook together for about 2 minutes, 2-3 minutes, and then we're going to go ahead and we're going to throw in our chicken so that our chicken can get flavored with those seasonings. And you're going to go ahead and you're going to let the chicken cook for about 10 minutes, right? You're going to let it cook for about 10 minutes. Alright, take off that top. Oh yes, look at that, masala-fied, yes. So then the next step, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to throw in our chili and tomatoes. To give that a little bit of a thick taste, give that a little spin. Now let that cook for about another 10 minutes on low heat, Don't let it cook on high heat. Let that cook on low heat for about 10 minutes. Yeah, that's nice. Alright, now what we're going to do next is check it. Yeah, it's about done. So the final step, what we're going to do is we're just going to toss on some coriander. Turn off the stove, toss on some coriander, and that's it. Usually this chicken curry is eaten with naan, roti, chapatis, or even rice. And that's pretty much it. Easy chicken curry. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And follow us on Instagram, Abuisa Eats.